In this video I will show you how to fix GTA 5 crashing. We will be covering a few methods on how to do that, so make sure you stick around. Let's get into it. For the first method, we would recommend researching the error code that you get after the game crashes. Some error codes require very specific fixes, and if that didn't help, you can move on to the next method. In the next method, you should try editing the GTA5.exe properties. To do that, first off, you will need to find the installation folder of GTA, and if you don't know where to find it, go over to Library into Epic Games if you use Epic Games, find GTA 5, press the three dots, then press Manage, and here press this icon. It will take you to the installation folder. Or if you use Steam, go over to your library, let's say this is GTA 5, right click it, press Properties, then go into Install Files and press the Browse button. If you're using the Rockstar launcher, just go over to your shortcut, right click it, then press Properties, and in Target you should see where the installation folder is located. Now after you have found the installation folder, just scroll down and find the GTA5.exe. Select it, then press right click, then press Properties, and go into Compatibility. Once you get right here, make sure to check this button, run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and you can select Windows 8. Then make sure to press this, disable full screen optimizations, and check run this program as an administrator. Then press the apply button and press the OK button. Now you can try launching GTA 5 once again and see if it works. If it doesn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, you should set all of your graphics settings to low. Your computer might not be able to handle the game. To do that, press the escape button, then go over to settings, and then navigate to graphics. When you get to graphics, select it and start scrolling down slowly till you get to the quality settings. Then make sure that all of them are set on normal, because normal is the lowest option possible inside of GTA 5. And after you have done that, then try playing for a while and see if the game doesn't crash. If it doesn't crash, good. If it does, move on to the next method. For the next method, you can try verifying the integrity of game files. So for example, there might be a corrupt file inside of the GTA folder and that might be causing the crash, and verifying the game files will make sure to find that corrupted file and fix it. If you're using Steam, open up Steam, go to the library, find GTA 5, select it, then right click, then press Properties, go over to Installed Files, and press Verify Integrity of Game Files. But if you're using Epic Games, open up Epic Games, then scroll down and find GTA 5, here it is, press the three dots, then press Manage, and press the Verify button at the top. Then, after that's done, you can try and launch GTA 5 and see if it works. If it doesn't, move on to the next method. For the last method, try checking if you have the latest version of the drivers for your graphics card. If you don't, GTA 5 might not be compatible with older versions, so you will need to download the newest one. Go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, in here write Device Manager and open up the application at the top. Now once this application opens up, go over to Display Adapters, double left click and find the graphics card that you're using, select it, then press right click and press Update Driver. Right here you can press search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. If you have them downloaded, select this second option, but if you don't, press the top option. And when this pop-up comes, you can close both of these and try running GTA 5 to see if it works. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope we helped. See you in the next one.